In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Canva. If you've ever tried to place text around a badge, shape a title into an arc, or make words follow the flow of a design element in Canva, you've probably noticed that regular text stays on a straight line by default. The good news is that Canva makes this much easier than trying to manually space out letters or create the effect from scratch. I'll walk you through the full process so you can create clean, professional curved text with much less frustration. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to canva.com. Once Canva loads, head to the top right corner of the homepage and click Create a Design. This opens the menu where you can choose the size and format of your project. Next, select the canvas size that fits what you're making. For example, you might choose presentation if you want a wide layout, or Instagram post in portrait format if your design is meant for social media. As soon as your blank canvas opens, it's a good idea to turn on margins so you have a clearer visual guide while positioning your text. To do that, click File, then View Settings, and choose Show Margins. This helps you keep your design balanced and prevents important text from sitting too close to the edges. Now let's add the text. Make sure your blank canvas is active, then simply press the letter T on your keyboard. Canva will instantly place a text box onto the page. This is a quick shortcut that saves time compared to manually opening the text menu. Double-click inside the text box and type the words you want to curve. With the text box selected, go to the top toolbar and click Effects. A panel will open on the left side. Scroll down until you find the Shape section, then click Curve. As soon as you do, your text will bend into an arc. From here, you can control exactly how curved the text looks. In the same panel, look for the curvature slider. Dragging it to the right increases the curve and can eventually form a near circle, while dragging it to the left reverses the direction of the arc. Move it slowly and watch how the shape changes until it fits your design the way you want. Once you're happy with the curve, click and drag the text into position on your canvas. Canva's alignment guides will appear to help you center it or line it up with other elements. When everything looks right, go to Share, then Download. Choose PNG if your design is for screens, or PDF print if you need a high-quality file for printing. Then click Download, and that's it. You now know how to wrap text in Canva quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and I'll